Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Huawei Nova 11 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable professional mode in this smartphone camera and how to use it. So firstly, we need to open the camera application. Then here, as you can see, we have the screen with our image, and here we have the panel we can move. So we need to move it right, so move or scroll it right and find here Pro mode. Click on it, and cool. Now in Pro mode you can take professional pictures. Here you can choose the format of the taken photos. For example, you can use JPG, you can use RAW photos, or of course you can set up the image. For example, what we have set up here, of course we can set up ISO. So setting up ISO is very important to change the brightness of the image. We can change the shutter speed. For example, if you wanna take the photo in the move, you need to change the shutter speed, of course. Here we can change the autofocus mode, or of course we can enable manual focus, for example. As you can see, now I can set up focus, and for example, if I want to be focused on this flower, so I can make it manual. Cool. And of course, white balance. Of course, we can set up the white balance. To set up the white balance, click on WB, and here we can enable auto white balance. We can use cloud, daylight, warm light, and other types of the white balance. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.